People, things they really happen for this Nigeria. E get one lady wey they call Adebukola Adebayo Akudo. This woman don come out say husband wey she dey marry for the past 20 years, this man carry gun shoot her 2 legs. For which reason we no even know, because she no even talk. But me I sure say something dey behind this matter. Before person go carry gun shoot you, e mean say you do something. Make una watch this video.
Please help me share this thing. My husband that I have been living with for the past 20 years carried gun on me yesterday and shot my leg. Now I don't know what the condition of the leg will be. He carried gun and he shot my 2 legs. Please, everybody in this world should come out to my head and help me. I am an orphan. I don't have anybody to cry to but God and the society. Please help me and come to my head. Thank you very much, everybody. Please help me share this. I'm a popular girl. Adebukola Iskafiachikiade. It's my name on my Facebook handle. Please help me.
And I don't see as this woman they cry. Talk say she dey claim say she no fit even claim her name to be Akudo again because of say this man don't shoot her. But as this matter be, wetin you do before this man shoot you? I'm not saying no dey right for man to just carry gun shoot you for your 2 legs. It means say something don't really happen. Wey be say she sef she no dey talk the full story. Some people say they go just bring out story, they no go talk the full story, make people even understand wetin happen. She no dey sincere now. Maybe now the husband catch am with another man for bed, or abi she don do something. We no know. And before this shooting go start, this man fit don dey slap you, they beat you, they do other things to you, but you go dey pretend, you go do like say nothing dey happen. You go dey chop love all those period. Now when the matter don gas now, you can't dey beg us say make people find money for you. Say the bullets now they won't cut the leg, abi they won't open the leg, comot these bullets. How they want to do am? This your husband now, where in dey? You go surprise say some people upon say this man shoot this lady. If they say make she carry this woman now go police station, go arrest am, this woman go say lie. So if you still love this woman, wetin you dey complain for? Say make Nigerians come out for you. Fine, people fit support you, but no be say tomorrow night if they support you, you go come go back to this man say and I don't fall in love again and I want to continue this kind of relationship. All this kind of relationship wey no dey favor una, make una leave am. Man wey dey beat you, this one he never beat you alone, come use gun shoot. If you no fit waka again nko, your pikin, who want to take care of them? Even as him dey there like this, who want to cook for am? This man now na big man. They talk say na one kind big man, we no even to know the man. But you dey talk say you be one celebrity on Facebook, say people know you wella. As people know you well, and I make this your husband, they suppose even bring am out, because now no news say they don't arrest am. Nothing, no story about in arrest or be anything. The man just dey walk out freely. You dey there for hospital, they cry, say they won't cut your leg. Fine, people wey get money, making her beg, making her support this woman because she need una support. But my own, some people na animal in human skins na they be. They just they wear human being skin. They be animal. For man to just sit down and think, say, even if you know if you report the woman to him parents, say this thing what this woman do, he pay me. Which one can be gone? Where if I even see this gun in the first place? Since when they start to legalize gun? If not, make everybody go they buy gun now. With the way we're kidnapping and everything they have, make all of us go buy gun, hold them for hand. Because this one now, husband go just dey carry gun, say one key person. If say the woman herself fit defend herself, she said go face the man now. Now you no go get leg again, be like go cut your leg. You no even know your fate. And before you reach this gun level, now you suppose don't come out. Women una know they even hear word. You suppose don't come out before you reach this gun. Soon shebi this one na your leg. Soon na your head now they go still blow. Maybe by that time now your eyes go come open. As this matter be like this. In fact, I don't even tired to talk about all this marriage, because if you put your mouth for marriage people matter, before next week you go see them, they don't they love up again, they don't they kiss. You go come be like say now you be bad person for their matter. So as it be like this, make una face in a matter by in several, as it be making a comment about this kind shooting of husband we go just carry gun shoot wife leg for no reason. Though I know say reason go dey, make una don't forget to comment, like and also subscribe to this channel as we get better story for now. I go to see you now for our next story. My people, e get one kind tori wey dey trend. Say they catch some people for Otukuta Bridge for Ugeli South local government. Say they catch these people. Say women even dey inside. Say these people na ritualists. Now wetin we hear, make una watch this video.
They keep people. They keep people about the bridge. See that now. See person they say they mad. Who say they mad? Who say they mad? And now they keep people. So see that. Well, you not jam you. Oh yeah, man. So now not they mad. Now they mad. See woman who joined themselves. Now they mad.
See, ritualist people life in worry. Otokutu Bridge. See women, 2 women, 1 man. Otokutu Bridge. Not be smart to do. They will say they crazy, and then they crazy. See people through their school uniform, long key for this bridge. God, see. Hey, God. See people through their school uniform. See uniform. God, see uniform.
Now for this video, people they talk say these people they sell parts, human parts. Say that they sell them to politicians and big people. But as we they see these people like this, they don't even resemble people self where they. Anyway, we don't know mad people. We don't know ritualists as it be like this. But as the matter be, people talk say these people they stay under this bridge. If you want to go there, go buy human parts, stay do ritual, and then they sell them. But as police can't go there, they talk say they don't see anything like that for these people. But you say these people they just be people where we say they don't get house. Say now under bridge, now they live. I can't they even think these people they think say we no get sense because they go check the place. They say school uniforms they there, people clothes they there. So all these things where they people where they insane, people where they sane, where they okay. What on they do with dirty clothes, rag? Because if you see them, see as these people be now. See clothes where they wear, see as they dirty. So these people now talk to them know they mad, they okay. They no get house to sleep. But why not come dirty like this? But now they talk and say they go release these people. Say they no be ritualists, they no be mad people. Say that they okay, they just they find place to sleep as house no day for them. But me, I dey see am say one big man, maybe one politician, now they send these people. Because if people no see them, they no go talk them. This big man they send them, make they go they kill people, they sell all these parts for them. But as the matter don't be like this now, they no want make their name come out in the open. No, now make they don't agree say make this case close. We know our police, there's a big lie. Police will be say if you even do something, just squeeze 15 naira now, put inside their pocket, case closed, everything don't end. Now I be say this one will come be this kind of big matter, they will come settle you, they no will come collect. They go collect them more. But the command, they talk say the commander, they talk say they no see anything of such. Say nothing like that, they say these people they pure. Say make people know they carry fake news. Say people, bloggers, they say they carry fake news. Now I make this matter they trend like this. Say if say they wait, may they get the correct news, they no go talk say these people are kidnappers. But what do you want make we talk? As people say under this clothes they there now, things they there. So where all this thing come from? I been mad people now. These people no look mad though. They look normal, they okay. Women self, they say women self now go sit down for now no see work when I want do. Now ritualist work. I don't talk and make government find place for mad people. Who will know mad people? Now so they kill mad woman. When they even know anything, they say she self carry gun. The gun, they no see. The pikin where they say that they see am with, they no see. Why not when they judge ungodly like this? And I go just sit down, think of ways to just kill person and be just brutalize person. And then I go there okay, and I go sleep, sit down, they comfortable with this thing. But me as I be at the scene like this, if like say government don't change this story, they no want make we know the real story of what they happen. Now I make that they try do carry us back, front, middle. Now I make that they behave like this. You show me that I say something there behind this thing. As this matter self be, making ourselves put mouth. Because I know some people self we know this bridge. When ourselves go don't know say maybe all these kind of things, all this under bridge self. What it make that they let people they sleep under? Make they just close them, make road no day to the link under, make water there. Maybe all this kidnapping and the rest things go reduce small. As it be like this now, here I go to end this kind of matter, making now not forget to comment, like and also share. And making now not forget to subscribe as we get new story, hot story for now. I go to see you now for our next story.